अगर आप इसे अच्छे से सीख जाएं तो बेहतर होगा। अगर यहाँ पे दिया गया है एक पॉलिनोमियल दिया गया है, वो पॉलिनोमियल रखा गया है वो पॉलिनोमियल अगर दिया गया है तो वीडियोज अवेलेबल, तो देखते हैं क्या है। ये तो चल ही रहा है। ये तो चल ही रहा है ना। अगर एफ एक्स है कोई पॉलिनोमियल, ओके, एफ एक्स कोई पॉलिनोमियल है ना, तो इसकी ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने हैं। हम ये मान लें कि एफ एक्स कोई पॉलिनोमियल है ए एक्स स्क्वायर 2x प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए एन एक्स टू द पावर एन प्लस डॉट 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 प्लस ए वन एक्स प्लस ए नोट। तो पहला काम हम ये करेंगे कि इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे। ये y भी है, dy बाई डी एक्स, इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे और बराबर जीरो रखेंगे। तो यहाँ से विल गेट सम वैल्यू ऑफ x, मे बी x1 x2 x3 dot dot dot. First step is this differentiate. Second step, plot all x for dy by dx equal to 0 on a real number line, on a line in ascending order. इसके बाद थर्ड है अल्टरनेट साइन बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम प्लस right to left. Right to left, altering sign on every interval. Like we have a line, we have x1 x2 x3 dot 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 xn. We'll do plus minus plus dot 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 minus plus minus something like this. Okay, and then the plot will be, this is decreasing, increasing, decreasing, something something, increasing, decreasing, increasing. So this is the plot. Okay, so if this is the graph, first step, y equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1 dy by dx. This is 6x square minus 30x plus 36. We'll put it equal to 0. We are getting x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Roots are x equal to 1, 2, 3. We will plot on number line 2, 3, plus, minus, plus. So graph is increasing. So when you go to minus infinity, it is increasing, decreasing, increasing. So final plot, we have 2, we have 3. The value is 2. So we'll find f2. This is 2, 2 cube minus 15, 2 square plus 36 into 2 plus 1. This is 16. This is 60. This is 73. This is 89, 39. So we'll find then f3, 54, 135, 109. We have 163, which is 28. So f3 is 28, f2 is 39, f0 is 1. So it is minus infinity is minus, plus infinity infinity. So this is the graph. Okay. This is the graph. Now if we go with this dy by dx, this is minus 12 x cube plus 12 x square plus 0. Now we can say that minus 12 x square is common. We have x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and 1. Now we have a number line, keep 0, keep 1. What will happen when you go 1 plus? it is positive, this is positive, this is negative. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, this is negative, this is positive, overall positive. And less than 0, this is positive, whole, this is negative, negative, positive. So we have somewhere increasing it like this. Here it is dy by dx is 0 and then decreasing. So if you would like to plot this, we'll plot in this way. At 0 we'll go f0, which is 3, f1, which is minus 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 4. So f1 is here, which is 4, f0 is 3. So when x is minus infinity, so the bigger term is infinity. So minus into infinity is infinity. So bigger term is minus infinity. At 0 it is 3, at 1 it is 4, and then it will go down. So this is the curve. I consider that you can solve this two curve, or should I solve? Okay, I will solve it. Dy by dx is equal to 6x squared plus 18x minus 24. 6 common, x squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is minus 4 comma 1. So f0 is 15, f4 is 128, one 44, f minus 4 minus 128 plus 96 plus 15. This is 16, 31, 127. f1 is 2 plus 9 minus 24 plus 15, which is 2. This is 0, this is minus 4, this is 1. So at minus infinity it is minus infinity, at minus 4 it is 127, at 0 it is 15, at 1 it is 2. So at infinity it is infinity. This is what? If you plot it 1 minus 4 plus minus plus increasing, f0 is 15, decreasing decreasing up to 1 and then increasing. So this is the plot. Similarly, you can plot the second one, dy by dx equal to minus 12 x cube plus 12 x square plus 24x. We will take minus 12x common. It is x square minus x minus 2. So x is 0, x is minus 2, x is 2, y is minus 1. So when we plot on the number line minus 1, 0, 2, this is going to be, if you go in this, more than 2, this is positive, so negative, positive, negative, positive. Now you go with f minus 1, it is nothing but 3. Go with f0, f0 is nothing but minus 2. Go with f2, minus 48 plus 32, 48 minus 2, which is 30. Now we can plot the graph. Simply plotting the graph, minus 1, 0, 2. So at minus 1 it is 3. At 0 it is minus 2. At 2 it is 30. At minus infinity, this is bigger term, so minus infinity is infinity. Infinity into minus, so it's minus. So it is increasing. F0 is minus 2. Decreasing. Between minus 1 to 0 we are decreasing. 0 to 2 we are increasing. And then we are decreasing at infinity. So this is the curve. This is how we plot. Okay, this is the question which is good for IIT Advanced. Where y equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 6x. If we put it equal to 0, it is x equal to 0, x equal to 2. So f0 is 2, f2 minus 2. So we have a number line 0 and 2. plus minus plus. Let's plot it. Let's plot it. Zero and 2. F0 is 2. F2 is minus 2. It is increasing at minus infinity. This is minus infinity, the bigger term. Decreasing and then increasing. Okay, this is the question. We are told that we have three real roots. If we draw at this point, we have only two intersections. If we draw above, we have only one intersection. If we draw here, we have only two intersections. Going further, we have only one intersection. If you go downwards, there is only one intersection. Between minus 2 to 2, if we draw, we have 1, 2, 3, three intersections. Yes. So for question number, we will draw the line. For question number 1, three real roots. This is y equal to k. When we have three equal roots, okay, then k is between minus 2 to 2. So k belongs to minus 2 to 2. Then if we are between this and this, we have y equal to k, cutting the graph into 3 points. Second, one real root. When k is bigger than minus 2 and k is less than bigger than 2, k is less than minus 2. When we are this side or we are this side, we have only one real solution. I think you got it. Okay, Ojas, if you have any doubt, kindly send me. Moving next. Okay, so the graph of the following. So the graph of the following is that y equal to x cube minus 4x by 4. If you do simply dy by dx, it is 3x square minus 4 by 4. We should put it equal to 0. X is plus minus 2 by root 3. Now plotting the number 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. This is plus minus plus. Now what can happen if we find f minus 2 by root 3? This is going to give us some different value. Minus 8 by 3 root 3 plus 8 by root 3 whole divided by 4. 16 by 12 root 3 4 by 3 root 3. If we consider f 2 by root 3, it is 8 by 3 root 3. This is 8 by root 3 by 4. 4 by 3 root 3. We'll find f0, which is 0. f0 is required to check the nature of curve, okay? And the two minimum values required. So f0 is 0. So this curve is most probable. One is minus 2 by root 3. One is plus 2 by root 3. If you consider this is negative, minus 4 by 3 root 3. And if you consider this is positive, 4 by 3 root 3. If you see by roots, you can say that plus minus 2 is the root. Roots are plus minus 2. So increasing, decreasing, increasing. So option C is the answer. Okay, can you try this question? I will solve it simply as dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 4x equal to 0. X is 0, x is equal to plus minus 1. So f0 is 5, f1 is 4, f minus 1 4. Okay, so when we plot here, we have minus plus 1. Roots are only plus minus 1, 0 minus 1. If you put more than 1, it is going to be positive, negative, positive, negative. Now we have a plotting time. Let's go with the plotting time. Minus 1, 0, 1. At minus 1, we are 4. At 0, we are 5. And this is 4. So we have decreasing. We have decreasing up to here, and then increasing up to here, and decreasing up to here, increasing up to here. So negative means decreasing, positive is increasing, increasing, decreasing. So we can see that we have option D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 question more. So try this question. We know that pi to power x graph, pi to the power x graph is somewhere like this. Is somewhere like this. This is somewhere here, and we have y equal to pi to the power x, and we have y equal to minus 2x square plus 6x minus 9. dy by dx is equal to minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. You can say x is equal to plus 3 by 2. If you put y 0, the value is minus 9. If you put y 3 by 2, it is equal to minus 2, 9 by 4 plus 6, 9. This is 9 minus 9, which is minus 9 by 2. So if we try to plot that graph on this, we have a number line 3 by 2 plus minus decreasing increasing. So f3 by 2 is minus 9 by 2, f3 by 2, and f0 is minus 9. f3 by 2 is, so this is a quadratic, it is somewhere like this. So there is no intersection, no intersection on the curve, so no solution. This question we are going to solve if both the roots of the quadratic equation are distinct and positive. That means we got somewhere x minus 2, x plus 1, p. So this is a quadratic. If you plot a line y, x, this is somewhere minus 1 and 2. This is at the top is when x is equal to 1 by 2. So at 1 by 2 it is on the top. So 1 by 2 is what? 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 9 by 4. If both the roots are distinct and positive, then complete set of values. So what will happen? They are saying that this equation has two roots, distinct and positive. That means at 9 by 4 we have only one intersection with less than 9 by 4. If we go less than 9 by 4 we have two equation, two intersection, hence two solution. Two intersection meaning two solution. So x less than 9 by x. So if p is less than 9 by 4, this is y equal to p, this is y equal to p. If p is less than 9 by 4 and bigger than 0, okay, so when we cut with this line we are getting one negative value and one positive. So it should, when it is 0 it is 2. So if we cut at this point 2 to 9 by 4 we are going to be positive. So when p is from 2 to 9 by 4 it is positive. After we go down the cutting will come out to be negative side, so x, the x should not be negative. So x is 0 more than 0, which is what, from 2 to 9 by 4. So we got this answer. So I am giving you time to solve this question, kindly solve it. Fx equal to 3 by x minus 2 plus 4 by x minus 3 plus 5 by x minus 4. Then fx equal to 0 has exactly one root. Okay, this type of question we have already done. We have no longer step to solve, we have very smaller steps. Okay, so we can say very nicely, there is no more steps to solve this question. Okay, we have very less step. We have some theorem, I am forgetting the theorem, but we have some theorem which is telling this statement. We have some theorem, I am telling you the theorem. Wait, it is not getting saved. In case it would have got saved, हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, so my saying is that we don't have to do anything magical, no rocket science. If f 2 minus, if we take less than 2 minus, so can we say that 3 upon x minus 2, this is this whole is less than 0. 4 upon x minus 3 is also less than 0. 5 upon x minus 4, this is also less than 0. Now we take f2 plus 3 upon, normally what will happen, 2 minus, it is minus infinity. If you take x2 plus, okay, no, because it is negative. If you take 2, it is 4 upon minus 1, it is 5 upon minus 2, and this is minus infinity, because 3 upon minus 0 is infinity, so overall minus infinity, so this is overall minus infinity. This is negative term, negative meaning less than 0. Salvin Bawan Kule, negative meaning less than 0. 5x minus 4. So what will happen? This is positive, which is plus infinity. 2 plus is what? 3 by 0, which is infinity. 3 by near to 0. And this is some value. This is some negative value. And this is some negative value. Overall, we are infinity. So we know that if f2 minus and f2 plus have different sign, then there exists odd number of roots. Odd numbers of root between 2 and 3. Similarly, when we do f3 plus, so exactly one root lying between 2 and 3. f3 minus is negative. f3 minus is negative. f3 plus is what? First term is positive, second term is minus infinity, no, plus infinity, third term is negative, so it is infinity. f3 minus is positive, first term 3 upon 3 minus 2, which is 3, second term is minus infinity, third term is negative, overall minus infinity. So if we are plotting the graph, we can see somewhere like this: 2, 3, 4. The graph of 1 by x is like this. This is y equal to 1 by x. Okay, okay, Bhavan Sulke. So y equal to 1 by x is like this. So 2 minus is minus infinity. 0 is negative. 0 is negative. We go with 2 plus it is infinity, and 3 minus is minus infinity, because it is simply, if you try to take LCM and everything. No, I'm not taking LCM. At least one negative root. Fx equal to 0 has at least one negative root. 3 plus is plus infinity, 4 minus is minus infinity. This graph is going somewhere like this. Three different roots. One, two different, at least one negative root. Exactly one root between 2 to 3. Exactly one root between 3 to 4. So I am getting A and C as answer. You can do some different way. You can do differentiation. Then also it won't be getting solved. Okay. So this is the correct graph. Okay, A and C is the answer. Now we are going with this question. This is very good question. I will consider this IIT Advanced. Let quadratic Px equal to 0 and PPA PPPPX equal to 0 have a common root. They have a common root. Okay, that means P alpha is equal to 0. There is some common root. P alpha is 0. P alpha is 0. P beta is 0. And we can say that P of P of alpha, if alpha is common root, should be 0. Then P of P alpha is 0. P 0. P 0 is what? P 0 is P of C. And P of C is what? C square plus BC plus C. Okay. BC belongs to R. B square minus 4C. We are getting C common, C plus B plus 1. root 0 is root of equation this. Equation ppx is 0, then this has at least two common root. We go with option A. BC belongs to R, P alpha is 0, P0 is C, PC is equal to 0. And we got that this is equal to 0. That means C equal to 0 or C equal to minus B minus 1. Okay. And if we consider B, which is minus C minus 1, so B square minus 4C is C square plus 1 plus 2C minus 4C equal to C minus 1 whole square. Okay. This is bigger than equal to 0. Yes. So option A, this is option A. Option A correct. I am solving it very neat and clear way. P alpha is equal to 0 and P of P of P of alpha equal to 0. Alpha is a common root. Okay. Then now in this we have P alpha is 0. P0 is 0 square B into 0 plus C equal to PC, which is equal to 0. And C is what? PC is what? C square C B plus 1 equal to 0, which implies C equal to 0, C equal to minus B minus 1. Now B square minus 4C is minus C minus 1 whole square minus 4C, which is equal to C square plus 1 plus 2C minus 4C equal to C minus 1 whole square. This is bigger than equal to 0. And or B square minus 4 into 0. So B square is bigger than equal to 0. So option A is correct. Option B, P0 is equal to C is equal to 1 implies is 1 if P1 P1 is 1 plus B plus C, which is equal to 2 plus B. if we say c equal to 0, b is equal to -1. It is if you see here, it is c. If c is 0, this can go 1 plus b, which is equal to 1 plus c. 1 minus c, which is c equal to 1, which is 0. So this is also correct. 1 plus b. Okay, now c. p of p of p of x equal to 0, and p of p of p of p of p of x equal to 0 has at least two common root. First we put this 0, 1 2 3 0. We got p of 0, which is get p of c. Okay, and from here if we get p of x0, we get pc equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So we have one common root. So we can say that p of alpha is equal to 0, p of beta is equal to 0. P of alpha is 0, pc is 0. P alpha is 0, p0 is c, pc is 0, p0 is c, so pc is 0. So on alpha and beta we are getting, so at least two roots. So this answer is also correct. We have next step. 0 is the root of equation. So option D, if we check, p of 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So x equal to 0, we are getting p of p of p of p of p of p0 is c, and pc is 0, p p p, and p0 is c, pc is 0, p0 is c, which is 0. So x equal to 0 is one of the root. Sum of square of real root of equation. Okay, so this is good question. IIT Advanced. x x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3. It is 2 into 1. 1 is also there. We get 60. 2 into 30. 2 into 15. 3 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the equation. So we can say it as 1 into 8 into 3 into 5, and they are consecutive, yes. So consecutive meaning 4, 5, 6, and 1 is 2. So we have to bring them in consecutive form. They are consecutive if you see. So how to bring it in consecutive form? We have to bring them in consecutive form. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, this is consecutive form. So now if x is 2, x is minus 2, so x is minus 5. So x1 square plus x2 square is 29. I think this is the answer. So we are happy to see